I'm Dr. Trisha Schimek. I'm a family and lifestyle medicine physician, and like many of you, I've worked with countless patients who are doing all the right things, eating better, moving more, yet still struggling with their weight. What often gets overlooked is stress. In this talk, Cortisol, Cravings, and Calories, we're going to unpack how chronic stress biologically shifts the body toward fat storage through hormonal changes and insulin resistance, and how it also drives very human behaviors: emotional eating, alcohol consumption, poor sleep, and less movement, all of which can quietly sabotage metabolic health. We'll review key scientific studies that connect stress physiology to weight gain, and more importantly, we'll focus on what actually helps. We'll walk away with practical strategies you or your patients can use to help regulate stress, support healthy eating, and feel empowered rather than blamed. Because when we understand how we respond to stress and what's happening inside the body, we can finally change how we care for it.